So today I'm going to unwrap this. So the seller sent me the new rear window set because the one that I got was wrinkled. So this is the one that I got previously, and it has a wrinkle around the edges. Hopefully the new one doesn't have the wrinkle, so it's most likely around the corner area right here. And there are some over here. If I look at closely in order to see it, see right there, right here. So I told the seller I cannot put this film on my car. I was going to show all the wrinkle, and it's going to create bubbles. So yeah, maybe I could use this film for my small window, the rear window that I have. It seems like there's a couple of the bubble, but I'll try to squeeze it out with my heat gun and see. So anyway, let's go and then open this up and inspect the new one. By the way, they also sent me two of the new one in the front. Because I told them some of the corner was like a wrinkle too, so. So let me cut out the corner here. So they come with the instruction again. Oh, they give me two at the front driver's side plus the small window. Wow. Oh my god, there's still a wrinkle right here. Are you kidding me? So this is show the proof right here, okay? The one that I just put away. Yeah, it's the same thing. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure what's going on, but anyway, I'm going to talk to the seller again. This is worse than before. Look at that corner one right here. Yeah, and then right here too by the brake light. Anyway, I'm going to take some picture and submit it to the seller again. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.